Hi and welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show how we can make a very tasty egg curry. This is a South Indian type of curry that I'm making, but there's a twist to it. There will be a lot of gravy and it's going to be very tasty. You can use it with fried rice, chapati, puri, bhatura, with tomato rice. It goes really well. So let's check out the ingredients. 1.5 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, a pinch of turmeric, and half a tablespoon of ginger chopped fine. And then we have for seasoning it, we have half a tablespoon of mustard seeds, a little bit of coriander leaves, and a few curry leaves. We also need a few dry red chilies for seasoning. I've taken 5 hard-boiled eggs. We have here 4 medium-sized onion slit lengthwise and 1 large tomato which is chopped fine. About 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use oil of your choice. I'm using canola oil. Salt to taste. Take a thick bottom non-stick pan and pour 2 tablespoons of oil. I've already poured that, but the non-stick pan is really hot now. I'm going to add the onions first. And with the onions, I'm going to add the salt. And let's just saute that. It'll take a few minutes. The onions are almost brown now, and next we'll add all the masalas. I've lowered the flame and you don't want to burn the masala, so first I'm putting the chili powder. Next it is the coriander powder and the garam masala, and next I'm adding the turmeric, and last I'm adding the the ginger which was chopped fine. There's no garlic, it's just ginger. And then let it get roasted here so the raw taste of all the masalas go away and you get a fine flavor. So next I'm going to add the tomatoes. And give it a stir. I'm going to close and keep it so the tomatoes get cooked. So let's open and see how the tomatoes are with the onions. Yeah, it's almost cooked, the tomatoes. And like I said, there's a twist to this South Indian curry. And what we do next is, I'm going to take some of this and keep it aside. Like I'm going to take about, it could be like almost more than half a cup. I'm going to keep it aside so that it gets cooled down, and I'm going to remove this also. Using another pan and going to pour about 1 tablespoon of oil in it and just add a little bit of the chili powder. Just about a pinch of chili powder here, and then we're going to just stir in the eggs. So the eggs are roasted a little bit. You'll see the brown color here, and that's when it's done. I'm going to put it back into the sauce that I made here. And next we're going to leave it here on a low flame. The tomato, onions, and all the masalas which I fried, it's cooled down a lot. And what we're going to do now is grind that into a real nice paste. So ground that. So I'm going to add that also into this. This is going to make the gravy really thick and nice. So I did not want to waste any of the gravy, so I just added a little water. I've just added about half a cup of water, and you see that the gravy is really thick, and I'm going to keep it on the flame for about 1 minute. The egg curry is almost done. I'm just going to add the seasoning, so I'm going to remove it from the fire here. I've kept the pan for seasoning and added about 1 tablespoon of oil. The oil is very hot. I'm going to add the mustard seeds now. The curry leaves also. And I have the dry chilies which I'm going to add here. I've just added the seasoning on top of the egg curry, and I'm going to just garnish it a little bit with the coriander leaves. Yeah, so for tonight, my family is going to have baturas and egg curry. You can also try that and let me know how it came out for you. If you like it, please subscribe and support my channel. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Half tablespoon. Take the gravy. Oh my god. Okay.